Hey YouTube. Alright, this is my potato plant and I can't wait any longer. I gotta pull it out because I need space. So, we're gonna see what we got on here. And I don't have help. My daughter's not here, so I have to do it by myself. So I have one hand. That's a nice sized potato. Look at that. Cool. And these are the Yukon Golds that I planted in this bin. I left them in here longer than the other ones because I wanted to see if the potatoes got any bigger. Let's see what we got in here. So I'll throw them over there in the corner. Get this junk out of here. Ugh. Alright. Oh, there's a nice one. And small ones. And nice size ones. Ugh. Wow. That's the biggest one yet. That's really nice. Goodness. Alright. That's what I like. And I'm running out of potatoes because I'm almost done the other potatoes that I harvest. I love potatoes. I think that might be it. Well, here's another one. So I guess leaving them in there longer definitely made bigger potatoes. Because that one is nice. I think that's it. I have to get in here with my spade because I can't do it with one hand. But I keep digging down here and I keep filling potatoes. So, get over there. I think little ones. All right. I'm sure it's probably a couple more, but I can't get down there because I need my little spade. So far, this is what I got, which is good because they're nice size. All right, just wanted to share. I got to put some greens in this bucket, so I had to get rid of those potatoes. Happy gardening, guys.